Hi guys! For today's video ay gagawa tayo ng token na sapatos. Okay? So, minsan, yung mga iba nagre-request sila ng double and minsan naman, pag mas mura ang gusto nila, ay isa lang ang nilalagay. Anyway guys, yung DOM na ginamit ko is nabibili lang sa Shopee. So, ganyan lang siya guys and ginawan ko lang siya ng ribbon. So, hindi po yun ang aking tuturo for today's video. Ang tuturo ko lang po ay yung pattern on how to make these cute shoes. Okay? So, ang gagamitin natin ay blue. Ayan. For the boys. Pwede naman natin gumamit ng pink or any color. But for this video, gagamit tayo ng blue or baby blue, ayan, na milk cotton yarn, and nabibili lang to sa Shopee, 25 pesos, and 5 na ply po ito guys, okay? So, no further ado, let's start the video. So, ating unang gagawin guys is mag-slip knot tayo. So, ganito lang paggawa ng slip knot, and then, ikot na ganyan, and gagamit tayo ng 3mm na hook. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya guys. And then after which is gagawa tayo ng 6 na chain. So ikot or grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So after which gagawa tayo ng half na double crochet on the second chain. So, ikot and then insert here. Ayan. And then, grab the yarn. So, on the next 3 naman guys is double crochet. So, ikot and then insert here and then grab, and then grab. Ayan. So, 1 and then 2 and then 3. Ayan siya guys. And then dito naman sa last niya is half double crochet na 6. So 1 and 2 and 3. And on the other side, 1, 2, and then 3. Ayan. And then, tatlo na double crochet here. So, ikot, insert, and then grab, and then grab. Then ikot, and then grab, and then grab. Another one. Ikot, grab, and grab. Ayan. So, here na guys, sa last is half double crochet na lang. Ayan siya. Ikot, and then like that. So, dito guys, sa row 2 natin, ang first na gagawin natin, mag-slip stitch tayo, or is, pinaka-first is mag half double crochet tayo. Okay? So, 2 na half double crochet sa dalawang stitch. So, gawin natin, ikot, and then insert, and then grab, in another ikot, and then insert, sa same na stitch, and then grab. So, don't forget na maglagay ng marker para hindi po tayo malito. Ayan. So, on the next stitch, dalawa na namang half double crochet. So, 1, and then 2. On the 3 stitch naman is magagawa tayo ng half double crochet, tig-isa na lang dito. So, bale dito sa dalawang stitch na nauna is half double crochet increase, meaning dalawang half double crochet sa isang stitch. But then, dito sa tatlo is isa na lamang. Okay? So, half double crochet, 1, and then 2, and then 3. Ayan. And then on the 4, on the next 4, ay half double crochet, increase na naman. So 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Ayan siya, guys. And then again, sa next na tatlo is maggagawa tayo ng half double crochet na istig isa. So 1, and then 2, and then 3. Ayan. And dito naman, guys, ay dalawang half double crochet increase. So 1, ayan, and then 2. Oops. And then 2. Okay. So that is our round 2. Ayan. Next naman ay ang row 3. So row 3 ay gawin natin on the outer loop. So half double crochet lahat dito. Tig isa. So ikot, and then dito po natin kunin, hindi yung buo. So, dito lang siya, guys. Ayan. So, outer na chain natin. So, ikot. And then, yung pinaka outer, yan, 1. And then, 2. Oops. Don't forget the marker. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 na half double crochet. Ayan. Next na ating gagawin, guys, is gagawa tayo ng 5 na single crochet. So, medyo baliktarin na natin, mga kaibigan. So, mag-uumpisa dito, guys, gagawa tayo ng 5 na single crochet. So, 1, put the marker, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ayan. And then, half double crochet dito. So, ikot, and then insert, and then grab. Ayan. And then, dito naman, sa next natin gagawin is double crochet 2 together. Ayan. So, 4. So, ikot, and then insert, and then grab, and then grab, and then ikot, and then insert on the next stitch, and then grab, and then grab, and then grab. Ayan. So, ganyan po ang double crochet 2 together. So, 4 na beses po natin gagawin yan. So, that is first, again, ikot. So, insert, grab, and grab. Ayan. And then, ikot. And then, insert, grab. And then, grab. And then, diretso na. Ayan. 2. That is 2. So, gawa pa tayo ng 4. And, pang-4 na yan, guys. So, next naman is yung half double crochet natin ginawa kanina sa other side. So, gawin din natin dito sa other side. So, ikot, and then grab the yarn together. And then, single crochet na dito. Yan. So, bali 7 na single crochet. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ayan. So, sa ating row 5 naman is single crochet on the first one. So, single crochet in here. Ayan. And then, the marker, of course. And then, single crochet 2 together. So, ang gagawin natin dito, insert yung hook, grab the yarn, and then insert the hook on the other stitch, grab the yarn again, and then pull the yarn. So, after ng ating single crochet 2 together, ay mag-single crochet tayo dito, 3. So, 1, and then 2, and then oops. And then, and then, 3. Ayan. Next, ang ating gagawin is 3 half double crochet 2 together. So, ikot, and then insert, and then grab, and then grab, and then ikot, and then on the next stitch, and then grab, and then diretso na siya. Ganyan. So, another one, ikot, insert on the next stitch, grab, and then grab. So, don't forget na dalawa lang yung kukunin natin. And then, ikot again, next stitch, grab, and then diretso na siya. Ayan siya. So, ikot, insert, grab, grab, and then ikot, and then next stitch, and then diretso na. Yan. And then after which, guys, is 4 na single crochet. So, single crochet in here on the next stitch. 1, and then 2, 3, and then 4. And then, in here is yung single crochet 2 together. So, insert, pull the yarn, and then insert, grab the yarn, and then, ganyan. And after which, guys, ay single crochet na ulit. Ayan siya. Okay, there you go. The cutie one. Ayan siya. And then next natin is DC, meaning double crochet. So, ikot. Ayan. So, yung double crochet natin hanggang paikot na dito. Oops. So, ikot, insert, grab the yarn, grab the yarn. Ayan. Kahit wag na tayo maglagay ng marker since mapansin naman siguro or kita naman siguro kung saan tayo nag-end. So, again, ikot, insert, in, grab, and grab. So, pwede nyong gawin to guys na token or di kaya ay pwede nyong gawin sa mga order ng shoe ng mga nagpapa-customize na pwedeng gamitin ng mga babies. Ayan. Medyo magdagdag lang kayo ng mga bilang or di kaya gagamit kayo ng mas makapal na yarn. On the next naman is half double crochet. Paikot ulit dito. And then, slip stitch natin dito sa pinakalas. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya guys. And then, cut the yarn. For sewing na yung end dito. Yung dito. And then, you can put some fiber para maging hindi siya magulo dito or para yung shape niya is okay naman. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya guys. And then, magawa lang kayo ng design niya dito ng tali, ganyan. Chain lang siya. Pagkagawa kayo, chain lang siya. So, that's it my video. And I hope na nakatulong sa mga naghahanap ng mga tutorial gaya ng for beginner, yung madali lang na masundan. Ayan. So, ito yung mga ginawa kong token. Yan. On my previous na project. So, thanks for watching guys. And I hope to see you on my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!